In this video, let's see the Prado 1-inch wheel spacers before and after. After installing the Toyota 1-inch wheel spacers, they can move the wheels farther away from the suspension. This enlarges the track width. As the track width increases, the Prado's performance tends to get more stable and handling usually improves too. The tire's lateral grip also improves. With these Prado wheel spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering. Installing wheel spacers is an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers. A car with a lower center of gravity will handle better, thanks to reduced roll and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers with the corresponding thicknesses. This improves the whole experience on your drive. For anyone seriously considering the performance potential of their cars, heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked. BONOSS FT Cooling Prado wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Prado wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. 1-inch wheel spacers fit the Prado perfectly, with wheels flush with the fender. If you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Toyota Prado, you can install the 1-inch wheel spacers on the front wheels. If you want to get the BONOSS Prado wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.